Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by backing up what matters, your CFG and any custom Viewmodel files, because you will overwrite them. Open Team Fortress 2 local files through Steam to reach the game directory. You need access to materials and models folders. Enable the developer console in Options so you can test changes quickly. Make sure SV Cheats is off unless using a private local server for testing, because some commands require it. Once done, prepare a text editor and the Viewmodel model files you intend to swap. You'll now perform the swap by editing model and material files. Find the Viewmodel, MDL and associated, VMT in the models and materials folders. If you replace files, keep original file names or update the game's references so Tf2 loads them. Edit your CFG to set CL Viewmodel FOV and Viewmodel offset X, Y, Z values. These commands change scale and position so models look right. Once you've copied files and saved CFG changes, launch Tf2, you finish by testing thoroughly. Spawn weapons, inspect animations, and check for clipping or misaligned arm poses because these affect gameplay. If something breaks, restore the backups immediately and reevaluate file names and folder paths. Mismatches are the most common error. Make sure to verify game cache through Steam or clear the Tf2 download cache if models don't load. One key troubleshooting tip: if a model appears invisible, confirm the material. VMT references the correct shader and texture paths.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.